Can't think of spending a day without you. Can't think of my life too. You are my smile that brighten up my day, and I don't have much to say. Apart from that, I love you so much, and I just love your passionate touch. Love you, baby. My love will not have any condition. My love is truly pure. My love is like a allure. It will attract you in no time. So glad that you are all mine. I will love you till the end of time. No matter how far you go, no matter where you stay, my love will always remain in your heart. If you are near or you are apart, my love will leave a lasting effect on you. I truly and purely love you. I long for you each night and day. I long for your touch. Things that are on my mind, things that make my love one of a kind. Baby, I love you so, and I want you to know that my love is forever. Love is a dream and emotion unsaid. It is a feeling of the heart. It brings two hearts closer from the start. That instant connect of the eyes makes a person so wise. I love you so much, longing for your touch. I am so glad that you are in my life, so glad to call you mine, so glad that you will stay with me. Your smile gives me a pleasant glee. Baby, I love you so, just want you to know that I will love you forever. Your love gives me the power to life. Your love is like my life. I don't think I can stay without you. Without you, I won't survive. I love you way too much, waiting for your touch. I love you. Love is a dream, and I wish to live this dream with you. Love is like so deep. I want to explore it with you. Love is a passion. I want to experience it with you. I love you. What is love? I have known from you a feeling so very pure and true. True love is a feeling of heart right from the very start. I just love you, and I know that is true. Love you. You are beautiful from within. You are beautiful outside. Your love is so true, you know. Without any side, your love is a passion that drives me crazy. I love you so much. Walking along a moon lit beach holding your hand, kissing in the rain as in the middle of the road we stand, going for long drives in the middle of the night, reaching just in time for the sunrise. It is such a pretty sight watching the football match and cheering together, dancing with you in the romantic weather. I will cherish all these priceless moments forever. I want to live like this, perpetually with you together. I love you.